Okay, I want to make an intercom for between my laboratory and my house. I've got these two phones I procured at the Antique Radio Museum, and I'm going to use the existing phone lines in my house that no one uses right now for anything and connect them up so that one of them will be here and the other can be plugged into any phone jack in the house, and that way my family can call me while I'm working in the lab. Here's the inside of the phone. This is a Western Electric Type 500. These are ubiquitous throughout the mid-century, and they are built just so incredibly well. I mean, this thing, look at that. I mean, gosh, this thing's built so well. It's amazing they made so many of those. Someone has rewired this one a little bit so that there's no bell, but there's a buzzer and, you know, and a little audio transformer, so on and so forth. I'm going to hook this up as an intercom, and I just want to check to see what the wiring looks like in here before I get started. And it looks like here's the line itself. Okay, cool. All right, keep going. Okay, so I'm connecting into one of the Cat 5s from my other phone that's in the laboratory, the garage lab. So this ought to connect to these. These are all parallel at the main bus, and we'll see what happens. Okay, here's the main panel. So all of the Cat 5s are bussed in here. I had to fix some wiring. A couple of the blue ones were disconnected. So we're using the oranges and the blues. We'll give this a shot. Oh, here it is. My kids are calling. Hello, Dad here. Hi, Lydia. How are you? Oh, she's not helping clean up? Oh, okay, I'll come right in. I'm just testing out the phone. I'll be right there. I love you. So that is the intercom. Private line between the rest of my house and the laboratory using vintage Western Electric Type 500 telephones.